Today I'm going to teach you how to delete products on Wix, whether you're cleaning up your inventory, removing discontinued items, or simply reorganizing your store. Knowing how to efficiently delete products is essential for maintaining a well-managed online shop. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various management options for your site. Click on Catalog, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, hover your cursor over Store Products. This will reveal additional options that are specifically related to managing your store's inventory. From these additional options, go ahead and choose Products. This section is where all your store items are organized and managed, making it the central hub for product control. Once you click on Products, you'll be presented with a comprehensive view of all the products you have listed on your Wix store. This page displays everything from active items to those you might have temporarily hidden. To delete a product, simply locate the specific item you wish to remove from your inventory. Next to each product, you'll see a checkbox. Click on the checkbox next to the product you want to delete. Once selected, you'll notice that the header part of the products list will change and a delete option will appear at the top. This is your confirmation that the product is ready to be removed. Here's a useful feature: you can select as many products as you wish to delete by clicking multiple checkboxes. This is particularly handy if you're doing a bulk cleanup of your store or removing an entire category of items at once. After you've selected all the products you want to delete, simply click on the Delete button that appeared in the header. Wix may prompt you to confirm your decision, as deleting products is a permanent action. Once you confirm, the selected products will be removed from your store immediately. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Wix store by removing unwanted products. This simple process helps you maintain an organized, professional-looking online store that only showcases the items you want to sell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.